Hi there, health enthusiasts. Ever wondered what your lipid profile really means? Let me break it down for you with a little story. Imagine your body is a small town. In this town, the main troublemakers are cholesterol. They don't work alone, though. Their partner in crime is triglyceride. These guys love roaming the streets, causing chaos and blocking the roads. Now, at the heart of this town is, well, your heart. All roads lead to it. When these troublemakers increase in number, they try to disrupt the heart's function. But don't worry, our town has a police force too. HDL is the good cop, arresting troublemakers and putting them behind bars in the liver. The liver then throws them out of the body through the drainage system, but there's also a bad cop, LDL, who's power hungry. LDL releases the troublemakers from jail and puts them back on the streets. When the good cop, HDL, is outnumbered, the town becomes chaotic. Who likes living in such a town? Want to reduce the troublemakers and increase the good cops? Start walking. With every step, the good cops' HDL will increase and the troublemakers' cholesterol, triglyceride and LDL will decrease. Your town body will regain its vitality. Your heart, the city center, will be safe from the troublemakers' blockades. And when your heart is healthy, you'll be healthy too. So start walking whenever you get the chance. Stay healthy and have a good health. Minimize salt, sugar, bleached flour, dairy products, and processed products. Focus on vegetables, legumes, beans, nuts, eggs, cold-pressed oils, and fruits. And most importantly, cherish your family, friends, and positive thoughts. Remember, never lose confidence in yourself. Stay positive and always hope for a better tomorrow. Pass on this message to every senior citizen you know. Let's make our small town, our body, a better place to live in. Happy Senior Citizens Week.